So we're going to be on page 17 in your interactive science notebook. You're probably going to need to go on to the other pages because of showing your work. So if we're looking at this genetics task cards, and this should actually say page 17, and you're going to click to see how you did. And so let's do this first one together. And this is how you're going to want to set it up. And I'm just going to title this task cards 2. And this is our first one. So I'm going to put a 1. It says round seeds are dominant to wrinkled seeds. So make a Punnett square and cross a homozygous dominant seed with a heterozygous. So I'm going to put A to show my Punnett square. And it says that I'm going to cross a homozygous dominant, so that's capital R, with a heterozygous, so that's capital R, lowercase r. And so I'm going to go ahead and complete my Punnett square. And remember, you're going to want the capital letter to go first. So now I've got to go on to my section B. What is the fraction and percentage of each genotype? Well, I know genotype means genetics. So we've got big R, little r. And there's 1, 2, 2 out of 4, which is 1/2, 50%. And then there's 1, 2, 2 out of 4, 1/2, 50%. And now I'm just going to go on to C. It says, what is the fraction and percent of each phenotype? So what could they look like? Well, we know round seeds are dominant, so they could be round or they could be wrinkled. So if we're talking about round, which one's going to have the dominant alleles? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 4, which is 100%. 0 out of 4, 0%. And then I'm going to click the next slide to see how I did. Oh, looks like I did okay. And then I would just draw a line or something and then go on to number 2 and continue on.